Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the Zany Zebras stamp set and the watercolor pencil assortment 2. I have an affordable online class that includes both of these two products, plus a Memento ink pad, plus 6 video tutorials, and consumable supplies enough to make those 6 cards with envelopes. And then there's a free gift too for only $61.20 plus tax. That's Canadian. I will put the link in the description box below in case you want to register. And just a thought, this is a lovely class to gift to someone who is just starting out or likes simple cards. I'm going to use my trimmer in a very unique way today. So this is a basic white card base. 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. I have put the edge up to the 1 centimeter spot after where the cutter is, so on the right hand side of the cutter, and then every 5 or every half centimeter or 0.5 centimeter I am moving it along. So I have Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, Balmy Blue, Gorgeous Grape, and Flirty Flamingo, and they are exactly half a centimeter away from each other. And I am just drawing in the little trough that the scoring blade or the trimmer blade would normally go through. So make sure you don't cut your card, but this is a fun way of making some interest on the card without a lot of embellishments. Now I'm using a water painter here, but you can use a paintbrush if you don't have the brand new water painters from Stampin' Up. They're amazing. I will say that about them. And I have just sort of like a tissue in my hand, a sort of partly dried baby wipe. And as I activate that watercolor pencil, I'm just being careful. I just want it to sort of rough it up a little bit, not to make it look too perfect, right? And then as the colors change, I go from the green and move up into the blues and pinks, and it transitions well enough. So once that has dried, I come in with the Memento Tuxedo Black ink and I stamp the sentiment Happy Birthday. Just above the Flirty Flamingo, probably about 3/4 of a centimeter. And I know people aren't used to me using centimeters, but today I am using them. So I stamp the party hat 3 times and the stars 6 times. And then I'm just going to use my watercolor pencils and I'm going to color them in. I chose for this card to do sort of like an ombre color on the hats. So I start off with one color and then I stop and then I move on to another color and they blend perfectly. They look lovely. They look happy and fun. I left the circles on the hats plain white. And then I go in with the colors that I used for the little stars. And you know, they're just sort of, I don't know, it's sort of whimsical. It's using some of the very small images in the stamp set. And it shows that you don't have to use everything that you have in the stamp set. You can pick and choose. I thought this was a really cute and fun card. It could go for anybody. It's very simple, which I love. That's the reason why we watch Monday Makes videos, is for simple cards. And for those of you who are interested and live in Canada, I'm more than happy to share more of these designs with you in my online class. So that's my card for today. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.